When you look at a massive passenger airplane, have you ever wondered, why does it store thousands of gallons of fuel inside the wings? Because hidden inside that aircraft is something it literally cannot survive without: fuel. But fuel itself isn't the real mystery. The real question is, why would engineers place something so heavy, so explosive, and so dangerous inside the wings of an airplane? Why not store it in the safest part of the aircraft? Why not keep it far away from passengers, inside some armored compartment? At first glance, the wings seem like the worst possible location. They're thin, they flex constantly, and they endure enormous pressure against the air every second of flight. And yet, almost every large aircraft on Earth stores its fuel there. But the reason isn't just to save space. The real reason is far more unsettling. Because for an airplane, the biggest threat isn't turbulence. The biggest threat is losing balance. At the start of every flight, an aircraft is perfectly balanced. But as the flight continues, something begins to happen that passengers never notice. The airplane slowly starts losing weight. Every second, fuel is being burned, which means the aircraft is constantly becoming lighter. And if that weight is stored in the wrong place, the entire airplane can become unstable in the air. That's why engineers don't simply store fuel. They control tens of tons of moving mass inside a flying machine. And to understand this problem, we need to talk about one of aviation's most sensitive concepts: center of gravity, an invisible point that determines whether an airplane remains stable or slowly becomes uncontrollable. If that point moves too far forward, the aircraft requires extra force just to stay level. But if it shifts too far backward, the airplane can become dangerously unstable. So unstable that even small air disturbances can make it react violently. One wrong balance shift can place hundreds,